Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on getting my Amp Research running boards. So I went ahead, got Amp Research power steps for the 99 to 07 classic GM vehicles. I can throw the part number on the screen right now. I ordered these from Summit Racing for about $1,300 and then paid $150 something to have them 2-day aired to my house. Because since I live in Alaska, that's the only way I could basically buy them without having to wait 2 weeks or so. So got them on, had my mechanic install them for a couple $100. Super happy with them. It makes getting in so much easier. They go so much lower than obviously the rocker where you'd have to step right here to be able to get in, or I'd always make myself step in here so I don't ruin this piece of plastic. But they've only been on for about a week or so, so I don't have a real, good review on them yet. Hopefully in the winter time I'll be able to, and I'll let you guys know how they work in the winter time. I had the LED lights that came with the kit installed as well, so at nighttime they work. It's easy to step into. But anyways, that's pretty much it. If you guys are thinking about getting them, I highly recommend them so far. Thanks for watching.